Hi everyone, continue with this tutorial for Visual Studio. We're gonna create a class. So now we're gonna move these methods that we have developed here, these functions, to a class. So as you know, a class is the main theme for the object-oriented programming. So in the class is like a footprint of what your object is going to have, or what is your object will be able to do, to contain. So the word for this is instantiate. So instantiate. So here we create a calculator class. You can do this by right click, add new item, and you select class, put the name. So for example, let's include this one. Let's start with this one, result. So let's go to result, copy this one. We go to our class and we create this method here. And then save. And now we need to create the object. So to create the object is like is like declaring a variable, but with the footprints of the class. So we create an object what is within the class. So our class is called calculator class. Then we put the name of our variable. We say result2 is equal to new calculator class. So this is important. You can see here we have this, and this means this is a constructor of our class. This is the main method to create our object, and you can use different constructors in your class. So you can create one public calculator class. So our first constructor is like this. We don't need any input to create the object. That is the meaning. And we can create another one saying that you will get one value, and this will be reflected here. For example, if I want to create a second result, another one, but I can initiate giving a number. So you see it's working. This is the constructor. But let's say I delete this one and I try to create this one. Now, because we don't have our constructor for this without any input, we will get this error. So we go back, we put it back. Now we create it. So everything you are doing in the class will be reflected in your object. So because we create this method here, we can put this public, and the method is in sum. So you put result to put. You see here now we can see the method we create, and it said that we need two inputs and it should be integer. So if we put 2 and then say console write line, and let's write this here and convert this to a string using the method already in C#. So let's test this. Let's try this. So you can see we get the result for the addition of 2 plus 2 equal 4. So this is how you can create a class. I will explain a little more about the class and the methods and constructor in the second video, the second part. But now I just wanted to know more or less what I want to do for this calculator. We are gonna move these functions that we already have in the main program file to our class. That's all for today. I hope you liked. Give it a comment. See you.